I'm home. Long week. Very long week. Okay, just make dinner, then sit down and relax.
Oh, wow. Okay, that looks amazing. 7 million views. 7 million. Everyone is making this pasta.
No, 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 go left! I said left! Ugh! Why do I always die here?
Come on, that was right there.
The kids and Michael must be starving already. I need to make dinner quickly. They're all waiting. 6:10. Okay, still have time. 2 big pizzas. Just put them in the oven. 20 minutes. Done. Okay, everyone. Pizza tonight. I got 2 huge ones from the store. They were on special. Just goes in the oven. Super easy.
I can't.
What?
Pizza. I can't.
You can't eat pizza.
No,
Michael, it's Friday.
I know what day it is.
Anna, I was reading an article this week about sugar.
Okay.
Sugar is really bad for you. Worse than most people think. Pizza has a lot of carbs. Carbs become sugar in your body. It's all the same thing.
Michael?
I'm cutting carbs. No bread, no pasta, no pizza. I've been doing it for 7 days now. 7 days, Anna. 7. Do you know how hard that is?
So, no pizza.
No pizza. Sorry.
You're sorry.
Very sorry.
Mom, I want this pasta. Look.
That looks very fancy. Everyone is making it right now. Emma, that looks like 2 hours of cooking. They said it's easy. They probably didn't cook it themselves.
Mom, it's just pasta.
It has 3 sauces, Emma. I can see 3 sauces.
Mom, fish and chips.
Fish and chips.
Yeah, you know how I like it.
Okay. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. And don't make it soggy. Last time it was soggy. Okay, Jack, no soggy food, I promise. Last time you ate 4 pieces. Because I was hungry, it was still soggy. You always say that. It's true. Okay, can we just eat the same thing tonight? One dinner, together.
No carbs.
Okay.
I really want that pasta, though. Fish and chips.
Okay. 3 people, 3 dinners, no problem. No problem. It's okay. Everyone likes different things. That's totally normal. Michael, no carbs. Broccoli and fish. Fine. Emma, pasta. Water on first. Let me see. Jack, fish and chips. Frying. Also fine. 3 pots. Same time. I've done harder things. I am a superhero. A very tired superhero. Oil for the fish. Water for the pasta. Broccoli at the end. First, the fish. Flour, that's the white powder we use before frying. You coat the fish in flour, then into the hot oil. The flour makes the outside crispy. Crispy outside, soft inside, Jack's dream. Now, don't burn it, and do not let anyone in this kitchen.
Anna, quick question.
I'm busy.
Just 1 second. Did you know steaming broccoli is not the best way to cook it?
Michael.
Blanching is better. You put the vegetable in hot water for a short time. Then you take it out. It keeps more vitamins.
I know what blanching is.
I know. I'm just saying the article was very clear.
Fine, I'll blanch it.
Great. Also, how much oil are you using?
Michael,
I'm just asking.
go sit down,
I was just.
please. Mom, for the pasta sauce, you need cream, not too much, and fresh basil.
I know. Not dry basil. Fresh. Dry basil loses all the smell when it dries. Totally different. Emma, I know.
I have the video right here. Do you want to watch it?
I am cooking right now.
It's only 4 minutes.
Emma.
Okay, but the basil?
Emma.
Fresh basil, not dry.
My basil is always the freshest.
Mom, the fries, thick ones, not thin.
I know, Jack.
Thin ones get soggy.
I know.
And the fish, both sides. Last time only one side was done.
Jack, I have been making fish since before you were born. Last time one side was still white, though. I was going to flip it. It looked done. It wasn't done.
Okay, but
Jack, both sides, always.
cool.
Okay, 5 more minutes. This is the hard part. Oil good, water boiling, broccoli ready. 5 minutes, 5 quiet minutes, nobody comes in. Michael,
I was reading another article.
the oil is very hot right now.
I know. I just.
Hot oil, fish in it, not a good moment.
Olive oil isn't good for high heat. The article said,
Michael, watch out!
Do you see what the oil is doing?
I see it. I'm just saying next time maybe use.
Michael, go, sit down.
Okay.
Mom, the pasta, is it al dente yet?
What does al dente mean?
It's Italian. It means cook the pasta 1 or 2 minutes less, so it's not too soft.
Emma, I lived in Italy for a summer.
Okay, but is it?
The pasta is not in the water yet.
Oh, how long until?
Emma. Al dente, though, not too soft. The pasta is not even in the water, Emma. Mom, there's smoke. That's steam. Steam comes from hot water. It's normal. See? The fish is cooking.
Oh, okay. It smells different when it's smoke. This is steam. Okay, but it smells kind of.
Jack, step back from the hot oil. I'm just looking. I know, sweetie, but it's not safe. Okay, Mom. Hot oil can jump out of the pan. It will burn you. Step back.
Are the fries in yet? They need more time than the fish.
Jack, step back. Please.
Both sides.
Both sides.
Anna, The oil, what kind is it?
Mom, I have the cream right here. How much do you want? Mom, I have the cream right here. How much do you want? Jack, watch out!
Michael, I'm going out.
Now?
Yes.
What about dinner?
I'll take care of it. It's okay. You know what? It's fine. Okay, Michael, no carbs.
Chicken burger, no bun, 0 carbs. Your diet is safe.
Emma, famous food from the internet. Spicy chicken wings, very popular, everyone likes them. And Jack. Fish, crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. Done. Everyone gets what they want. You're welcome. I think I'll stop here. It looks so warm inside. Okay, let's go.
Mom's not back yet. She said she's going out.
She'll be back soon.
It's almost 7.
She said she'd take care of dinner.
Should we clean the kitchen?
Let's wait.
I should go check outside.
Hi, delivery for Anna?
Yes, this is Anna's house.
Great, here you go.
3 orders, all separate. She put names on them. Have a great night.
Where did she go?
I don't know. Did Mom order us McDonald's?
She ordered it from the car.
She just wanted pizza tonight.
I wanted pizza too. I didn't really need the pasta. I just saw it online and I said it.
It's crispy.
Mom made McDonald's crispy.
She was really tired, huh?
We should have just eaten the pizza. Yeah.
Oh, that's really good. No one is talking to me. No one is asking me anything. This is so nice. Hey, babe. Mom, where are you? I'm at a restaurant. A restaurant? Mm-hmm. By yourself? Just me. Is it good? It's really good, Jack. Oh,
When are you coming home?
after dessert.
You're having dessert?
I am.
What kind?
I don't know yet. Still looking.
Can you bring some home?
We'll see. Mom, where are you exactly? At a restaurant. Which one? Emma. I'm just asking. The pasta thing, I didn't really need it. I know. We should have just eaten the pizza. Yeah. I'll be home soon. 2 big pizzas, still in the bag. Friday.
Can I bring you something for dessert?
Yes.
We have chocolate cake and ice cream.
I'll have the chocolate cake.
Of course.
And can I get 3 more to go? 2 chocolate cakes and 1 ice cream.
For the family?
It's been a long week.
Of course.
Jack would love this place. That is really good. Cheers. Next Friday, I'm doing this again.